In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to remove the paper jam for the HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2600 printer series. This is also applicable for the HP LaserJet Tank 2500 printer series. If your printer has got a control panel, it might display the following error. It might display error 06. To locate the paper jam, open the front cover. You can see a paper jam over here. Do not attempt to remove or pull the paper. You need to open the cover at the back of the printer before removing the paper jam. From the back of the printer, open the rear access door. There's another door over here where you need to open. Do not remove the paper jam from the back. Instead, remove it from the front. Once the rear door is open, from the front, open up the top cover. Use two hands and gently pull the paper from the front. The paper jam is removed. Close the top cover and the rear access doors. The printer would restart once you close the rear access door, and the error would have disappeared from the control panel.